Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 more altcoins to buy right now in the month of November. As you guys can see, in the past 24 hours, the market has been booming once again. The market is up about 3.52% here just in the past 24 hours. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours are going to be NKN, which is up about 34.14% here, trading at 64 cents per coin. We have our highest volume, as usual, Bitcoin at 29.4 billion, Ethereum at 15 billion. So we see here, Ethereum and Bitcoin making a big move here Sunday night into Monday morning. So Bitcoin is up almost 5%, trading at 65,251, almost at those all-time high areas. Ethereum is trading at all-time highs, guys. Just like I predicted, I was predicting, Ethereum to be close to 5,000 soon, and it's happening right now. $4,700 per coin, up 3.36%, making a nice gain right there. Solana down about 5%, but we see a lot of these other altcoins are up. Cardano's up 2%, Ripple's up 9%, Dogecoin, Polkadot, all these other coins are up 2 or 3%. Obviously, we're seeing here Avalanche, another move, Rapcoin right here. A lot of these other coins are making a nice 5 to 10% move, obviously on the upside, with some obviously red, coins as well. But that's something that we always going to see in the market. So there's always going to be those outliers. So guys, are we going to be seeing a very, very green weekend this week? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Are we going to be seeing a bullish week or not? As always, if you want to see more content like this, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, let's get into it. So the first altcoin we're going to be talking about is going to be Helium, HNT. This coin is very popular and one we've talked about on the channel before, but it's made a nice move here in the past 24 hours from, lows of $37 all the way to highs up here of over $53 almost at one point during the day on Sunday. So it made a huge move, pulled back down a little bit. We're seeing nice move of 13.86% here just in the 24 hours, trading at $42.58 right now. In the past week, this one is up over 46%. We talked about this one a few weeks ago, actually. And actually, we talked about this one since the beginning. So here in the past month, over 108%. Past year, 3,469%. So this coin we talked about here in March at first. This is when it was getting really popular at $5, $6, and it continued to go higher and higher and higher. Now we've seen over a 500% gain just since then, if you would have been watching my videos back in March. So that coin just continues to go up higher and higher. Obviously, a lot of these helium miners that people are getting are taking forever to come in. I personally actually, disclaimer right here, I personally ordered a helium miner, I believe sometime in March or April, and I still haven't received my helium miner, and it's almost been a year. So they keep postponing it further out, and it's not something that I'm happy about. I've even thought about canceling it because there's so many more coins now in circulation and more miners, which means that you're going to be getting less coins, obviously, because there's a cap of how many coins can be mined each month. Now back here in March, obviously in February, people were making thousands and thousands of dollars every single month mining these coins. Now obviously you're only making a few $100, if that, in a few months. So Helium coin continues to rise. We saw this huge rise here just in the past week or so, pretty much doubling the coin's value. 4.3 billion currently on this one right here. Volume is up 261% higher than usual at 411.9 million. All-time highs at that $50 level that we saw today, actually. So this coin continues to go higher. Can it go higher than this? I personally think so. Only at a 4 billion market cap, this coin could potentially do a 10x in the future. I would not be surprised to see Helium trading at over $420 per coin in the next 5, 10, or 15 years. So 420 for sure, in my opinion. That's my prediction, obviously. I think this coin has plenty of room to go. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Polkadot, DOT. So another coin that continues to grow higher and higher, guys, is Polkadot. So this one right here, in the past 24 hours, it is up about 1.38%, trading at $52. In the past week, it's up 22.8%. Past month, 54%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, 1,135%. So Polkadot was trading at $4 last year in November. Hit highs here, obviously, in May at around $48 or so. Pulled back down to lows of about $10. And then from that July period, we're up over 400%. So if you would have invested $1,000 into a Polkadot in July, you'd be up about $4,000 profit right now, as we are at all-time highs right now currently. So this coin continues to make, big moves. So market cap, 51.8 billion right now. Volume is at 1.6 billion as usual. Typical hold time is 22 days. It is ranked the number 6 coin as it continues to climb those rankings. 70% buy and 30% sell activity. Now this one, Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect new chains. Now, how does all of this work? Well, right here, if we take a look, Polkadot uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism. To secure the network, verify transactions, and create and distribute new DOT. Now, there are several different ways DOT holders can interact with the staking system, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they want to devote. By staking and participating in the network, you may be able to receive DOT rewards. Now, keep in mind the reason Polkadot can process all of this information is because the many parachains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay chain. As a result, the Polkadot network can process more than 1,000 transactions per second, compared to about 7 for Bitcoin and 30 for Ethereum. As the network continues to grow, more parachains are added. Polkadot should get even faster with speeds that could hit 1 million transactions per second. So this continues to go higher and higher. Another coin that we talked about that has something similar is going to be Solana. Solana has, the speed is huge. Speed is a huge thing right now that everybody's looking at. Obviously, what is better than Ethereum? What is faster than Ethereum with the transaction and different gas fees and different things like that? And people are finding these other coins like Polkadot, Solana, and many others that are on this list. But Polkadot is just beginning now, guys, and we're going to be seeing a bright future with many more updates coming soon. So definitely want to add to your watch list and see how it's going to perform in the next few years. Then at the number 3 spot, we have Filecoin, FIL. This one in the past 24 hours is up about 2% here, trading at $63. In the past week, this one is actually down about 2.2% in the red. In the past months, it's down about 11% from highs of $81. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously, we're up 105%. So this coin is trading at $30, hit highs here in April at around $237. So we still have about a 200% upside, a little bit higher than that, just to get back to the all-time high area that we hit there in May, late March. We pulled back down all the way to lows of about $41, and then we obviously now been consolidating for the past few months. We're waiting for that next leg up and for this coin to continue to go higher. Now this one, the chances are a little bit lower, but there's a lot more potential. So that is why we're adding this one on the list right here. Current market cap is going to be at $7.6 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours is actually a little bit lower at 502 million. 50% buy, 50% sell activity, and typical hold time is going to be 14 days. Now, Filecoin is a cryptocurrency that powers the Filecoin network, a decentralized peer-to-peer file storage network that aims to let anyone store, retrieve, and host digital information. FIL tokens are used as payments for the services and as an economic incentive to ensure files are stored reliably over time. Now, if you want to see more data on how all of this works, you guys can come here and read that or pause the video and take a quick look. Something to keep in mind though is anyone with a compatible computer can start mining FIL by becoming a storage provider, now making their hard drive space available for use by the network in return for rewards. Now, mining configurations can range from a single desktop computer to a large-scale server farm. So obviously, that's something that we already know. Some people have these huge farms that they can mine Bitcoin and different type of coins and different things like that. So Filecoin is definitely another coin that we're going to be watching on our watch list to see how it's going to perform in the near future. But obviously, out of the 3 coins we talked about in today's video, Helium and Polkadot are definitely coins that I would be watching a lot more than Filecoin. Filecoin is just the one as a backup that has more potential, in my opinion, for growth, as it is a little bit lower. So those are the 3 altcoins we're going to be talking about. Now we're going to be taking a look at the rest of the market. Before we look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, we'll take a look down here. Like we said, Solana's down a little bit. Dogecoin trading at 27 cents, up 2.6%. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu is making a little bit of a pullback. So Dogecoin keeps trading here in the same range pretty much for the past, I don't even know, for the past 4 or 5 months, we've been trading into 20. So ever since pretty much June here, we've been trading around between 20 and 30 cents, and we keep fluctuating back and forth. Currently at a 35.6 billion market cap on Dogecoin, so continue to stay here. Shiba Inu is right on its back. Then we obviously have Bitcoin, like we said. Bitcoin was trading here around 62,000 pretty much over the weekend, and then obviously Sunday night into Monday morning, boom, we saw this huge rise here Sunday night, all the way to highs of almost 66,000 at one point as it continues to rise on higher and higher. In the past week, we're up 5%, past month 18%, and then on the 1-year chart, 340%. So we're right on those all-time highs. We're only about $1,000 away from the all-time high. 1.2 trillion market cap currently, which is 35% of the crypto market space. 29.1 billion market, volume. And so the volume is around the same as usual. Typical hold time is going to be 76 days, and our trading activity is going to be at 61% buy and 39% sell activity on Bitcoin. So is Bitcoin going to get to all-time highs again this week? It's very possible. We're very close to it. I would not be surprised, especially if we get some good news over in the next few days, and depending on what happens. So Ethereum is actually trading at all-time highs right now, which is a beautiful thing to see. Something we've been talking about over the past few days, that we were predicting that Ethereum could make a run, and that's exactly what happened here in the past 24 hours. This was trading at 4,500. Then we saw this boom just here over the all-time high. So 47.04, up 3%. In the past week, we're up 9.6%. Past month, 31%. And then on the 1-year chart, over 984% higher than usual. So right there, market cap 555.3 billion, which is 16% of the crypto market space. Volume is at around the usual at 15 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 76 days, 66% buy activity, and 34% sell activity. We're trading at all-time highs, baby, and I would not be surprised if Ethereum hits $5,000 per coin very, very soon. That was our prediction actually for the next, pretty much for the month of November. So we have another 3 weeks and we're very close. We're only about $300 away. That would mean about $100 gain per week for the next 3 weeks, and we'll be at that area. So do you guys think Ethereum will hit that 5,000 area by the end of this month? I personally think so. You guys let me know in the comments below. I will be replying to everybody's comments, so I will be replying to your comments as well, guys. So you let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes if you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great week. Goodbye.